Is West Side better than the East? With Jurong Lake District being the largest mixed-use business district outside of the city centre. The West District is poised to become the second CBD of Singapore with plans for a regional commercial hub and tourist destinations. Jurong Lake District will be the focus for the new office developments in the next 10 to 15 years to boost economic growth and offer jobs opportunities. What's even better, situated within two major transformations, Jurong Lake District and Jurong Lake Gardens. Sora will definitely be the next star of the West. This development comprises of 2 blocks of 20 stories and 2 blocks of 12 stories, housing 440 residential units with a basement car park. This unit ranges from 1 bedroom plus study to 5 bedrooms, beautifully designed to offer both functionality and style. Over 60 facilities across the whole development, from the luxurious moonlight lobby to the wave-inspired rooftop sky terraces called Sky 360, which promises residents the most impressive views on the horizon. Nested at Yuan Ching Road in District 22, Sora is close proximity to Lakeside MRT Station, which is only 2 stops to Jurong East MRT Station. Jurong East MRT Station will eventually be served by 4 MRT lines, including the upcoming Jurong Regional Line and Cross Island Line. The direct connections to the major business centres, Educational Hub, Central Business District, Changi Airport, as well as Jurong Innovation District will provide great convenience to the residents. Within minutes drives to AYE and PIE, Sora is also conveniently located within 1 kilometre to Lakeside Primary School and Jurong Secondary School. Located next to Jurong Lake Gardens, residents of Sora will have an easy access to 90 hectares of green spaces, recreational zones, and extensive cycling path network. There's a whole world at Sora's doorstep, from nature and recreation to shopping and dining. This is the epitome of lakefront living. Speak to any of our PropNext associates to explore the unlimited possibilities available at Sora today.